going near the tree now.
Yeah, he's taking some move.
Take a run from there.
Oh my God! He has done it!
What is up, guys? And today is weekend, and last week I bought this FPV, and we are going to test it out today somewhere in desert.
Let's try it, bro.
So let's try, and look who is with me.
Woo! Guys,
Introduce yourself.
ultimately, I'm here in Dubai.
How you feel about this, Dubai?
Like this, bro. I like this place very much because it's my dream come true. Okay.
Oh,
And
okay.
being with this Nabeel, like this is like awesome feeling over here.
Okay, we'll see you there in desert. Finally we have reached our location, and we'll find somewhere to park, and we'll fly the FPV for the first time outside.
Woo!
So we have parked our car there, and we are in desert. Right now we are setting the FPV. So, alright guys, the setup has been completed. This is actually the FPV goggles. So whatever drone sees, I will see from here. And this is the motion controller from this, which if I do like this, it can go front. If I do like this, it will go on the sides. And this is the accelerator. And this is the recording buttons. And yes, I'm just giving a brief. The important thing is to fly. Yes, and it's very risky. The sun is going. Let's just take some awesome shots.
The pilot is doing his job very well.
It's going near the tree now.
Yeah, he's taking some move.
Take a run from there.
Oh my God! He has done it!
This is so easy, bro. Coming
It's towards, so take it up! Oh my God! I scared off! What a speed! That's it. It was a very big adventure, and we have to stop it here because the battery is less. Yo man, Siddharth is like feeling something great. We like to have a feedback from you. How was the experience of drone, bro?
I would like to say the experience was wow, and it was my first time I was seeing a drone flying in the sky, so it was wow.
Yo man,
This is like next adventure experience, because like you can have a feel of a bird flying, you are standing here but you are seeing what the drone is seeing, and it's a beautiful experience. Actually I'm not that perfect, I'm still learning it. Let's practice more, and we'll get to that point where we can get an awesome shot.
it's like feeling awesome over here. You can see the moment we have captured. We have done, ultimately we have flied our new, what pen we say that we have ran our drone.
यार भाई मेरे वीडियो में गलत कमेंट मत कीजिए यार. अरे भाई भाई समझ के बोल रहा हूँ यार. बुरा लगता है भाई, आप लोग भी जानते हो यार.